Another great day at the office. You wanna treat me like shit? Yeah. I guess I'll just piss on you. Yeah, that was good. Look, this stickers really did come in handy. Let's see if they flush well. Not quite. Well, let's try it one more time. Alright, they're gone. Awesome. Let's see. Look, a whole stack. Fuck off.